How to see sent follow request on Instagram. Welcome to another Instagram tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to see a full list of all the follow requests you've sent on Instagram. So if you want to go through and cancel those follow requests, in this tutorial, you can do that. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So unfortunately within Instagram, there is nowhere we can go to see all of your sent follow requests. So in order to do this, we need to download a copy of our data from Instagram. And then in there, we can see all the different follow requests that we've sent. So to do that, first open the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android phone, then select your profile icon in the bottom right of the app. Once you're on your profile, open the menu by selecting the three lines in the top right of Instagram. Now that we're in the menu, select Settings and Privacy. Then all we need to select is Account Center at the top. Now that we're in Account Center, scroll down and select Your Information and Permissions. And we just want to select Download Your Information. Now we need to select is download or transfer information, and then select some of your information. From here, we just want to scroll down, and under connections, go ahead and select all. Now what we need to do is select next at the bottom, then just make sure download to device is selected and select next. And then in here, we can first select the date range. So you want to make sure this follow request includes the date range of the follow request. So if you sent it in the last year, then select last year. If you sent it maybe 2 years ago, select last 3 years or all time. I sent mine in the last year, so I'll select that and then go to save. And now you can select the email that you use for notification and the format. I recommend HTML for the format, and then the media quality, you don't have to worry about that. That's only for images. So go ahead and select create files. It'll then bring us back to download your information, where it'll start compiling that information. After some time, you just want to navigate back to the download your information screen, and you'll see under available downloads, the request that you made, and it'll say download on it. So go ahead and select download. You'll need to enter your password. Then when you enter your password, it'll open up the browser on your phone. It'll prompt you to download your data from Instagram. So go ahead and select download. Once it downloads, you'll need to find the Files app on your phone, and then you should be able to find it in the Downloads folder on your phone. So this is it right here. It starts with Instagram and then your username, and it will be a zip file. So go ahead and select that. And when you select that, it'll unzip it into a folder with the same name. So we'll need to open that up. Then in the folder, select Connections. And then under Connections, select Followers and Following. Then in here, select the file labeled Pending Follow Request. And as you can see, this will show you a list of all the pending follow requests you have on Instagram and the person's name, as well as when you sent that request. So from here, you can just select the name, and it will give you the option to open that link in Instagram. So if I select open, it'll open up their profile, where as you can see, they are requested. And all I need to do, if I want to unfollow that person or cancel that follow request, all I need to do is select it, and then that request has been canceled. All right, so that's how you cancel follow requests on Instagram. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Instagram tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Engaging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.